Day 3. No, day 4 actually. Pero day 3 sa vlog. Because hindi nga ako pumasok. Supposedly merong SHS night ngayon. Pero na-cancel siya because of the weather. Eh kasi gaganapin yan sa grandstand. And it's an open field. So we can't be rained on. You know what I mean? Hey guys, I'm here again with Pok Cholo. Kanina pa yung nag-loop sa utak. Spin check. Dito kami sa org room ni Pok Cholo. Anong org room to? 15-8?
C. Secret.
Thank you, Pax Romana, for housing me. Housing me!
What's going on? What's going on?
Snack, or nauusad siya, or nag-delete siya, or whatever, meron naman siyang straw sa taas. Ay! Powerful!
Panis ka, pre!
Button head,
May isa pa ba kayo?
Ah, sige. Ano ba yan? I say hi to the vlog! Hi! They're from 12 ATM. Yeah, 12 ATM. Pwede na! May masasabihin ka ba sa vlog?
I love Cholo. So, napaka-traitor kasi na ugali.
Ito na nga, buboto na nga eh!
From liquid repellent material, like specifically polyester fleece na.
So this one naman po is our fireproof box made from inorganic materials and boron compounds just in case masulugan po tayo, pwede masusunog.
Try mo nga sa'yo. For personal
This product is called Baby Wrap. It's made out of soy wax and is used as an alternative for aluminum foil. It can also be used to cover kitchenware and food.
Questionnaire po siya with different questions pertaining to different things. Ay! Oh my God! Kinabahan. Sana
Ay, ikaw na lang. Ayaw mo na yan.
Number
238-437.
Inspired by which famous series? Hoy! This? Okay, thank you
Para
for
sa'yo
that
talaga yung
wonderful
tanong.
question. To the panel of judges.
Para sa'yo talaga yung tanong.
Sabi po niya, ang favorite niyang track ay Gold Rush. And Gold Rush is from the album Evermore. And Evermore is by Martinez! Galing! Galing! You can get the prize po. Okay, what do I want?
Wala na, mali na agad.
Champy. Champy because I'm the champion. Have our paper stamp. 11-11. Shopee. Yay. Thank you again. Hi! Ay, hindi ko alam. Ay, alam niyo ang gawin natin. Pahulat na kay Madam Ho.
A few moments later.
Pahula po kami. Pahula po ng anong sagot.
Mahihinga po kami yung sagot. Madam Boring, ano po sagot dito? Sa inyong wisdom po, ano po sagot dito?
A few moments later.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
Malakas na energy ng A tsaka D.
Teka lang. Buka ng kristal. Wala kristal. Teka, anong letter ba? Anong letter? Teka, tanggalin mo na. Wait, ang hasok may aso, kaya letter A. Okay, letter A.
Bakit?
Yes. Bakit?
For case number 9, ang sabi ko na 9.
Guys, ko na let you know.
section yan.
Nakita po namin sir na
I'm sorry for the ghost of you. I'm nothing more.
Say hi, Andre, ayaw mo na kuya?
Bawal.
Bakit bawal?
Nakakatanda.
Okay, Andre na lang.
I'm here with Hannah.
With, spell Hana.
Hanna.
Yes, correct.
I agree.
Why?
Because it will help the society as a humanista and totally
What? You're totally spiced?
speechless. I'm totally speechless.
Speechless. Ganito. I don't think I look very slay.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hello.
Oh, sige.
brotherhood yan. Ilan ang kapatitan Ako rin po. Walang sagot sa tanong. Ito, kanta na to. Kung bakit ka mahalaga. Walang papantay sa'yo. Namimiss ko. Isip na ka. Namimiss mo, baby. Kapag nagsama tayo na.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, I just do it my way.